Hi! In this video I'm going to show you the basics of using GitHub, which is a platform for version control and collaboration, normally used by code developers but also useful for tech writers to collaborate on projects in a more agile and efficient way. So you don't need to know how to code, however you will need a GitHub account. So sign up if you don't have one. For a quick guide to help set up your GitHub account, refer to the following link. I will show you how to create and use a repository, start and manage a new branch, make changes to a file and push them to GitHub as commits. Once you have a GitHub account set up, your interface will look like this. A repository is usually used to organize a single project. Repositories can contain folders and files, images, videos, spreadsheets, and datasets, anything your project needs. To create a repository, click on the plus sign at the top right corner of the page, then select New Repository. Under Repository Name, add a repository name that is related to your project. For example, Camtasia Screencast. Under the description box, write a short description of your project. For example, script for Camtasia Screencast. For the purpose of this tutorial, create a public repository by selecting Public. Public repositories are visible to everyone and also free to use. Select Initialize this repository with a README, and finally, select the green Create Repository tab at the bottom of the page. Branching is the way to work on different versions of a file. By default, your repository has one branch named Master, which is considered to be the definitive branch. We use branches to experiment and make edits before committing them to the master branch. So now that you've created a repository, you can make changes by creating a new branch. Click the drop-down at the top of the file list that says Branch Master. Type a branch name. README edits into the new branch text box. Select the blue Create Branch box or hit Enter on your keyboard. On GitHub, saved changes are called commits. Each commit has an associated commit message, which is a description explaining why a particular change was made. Commit messages capture the history of your changes so other contributors can understand what you've done and why. Now let's make some edits to your README edits branch, which is a copy of the master branch. Click the README MD file. Then, click the pencil icon in the upper right corner of the file to edit. In the editor, write what the repository is for. Write a commit message that describes your changes. Now, click the Commit Change button. These changes will be made to just the README file on your README edits branch. So now this branch contains content that's different from the master. Congratulations! You've learned to create a project and make a change as a commit on GitHub. If you have other questions about how to use GitHub, you can go to the website at the following link. Thanks for watching.